What are we making, bro?
Make beef stroganoff.
Okay, let's start then. Our pan is already heat up. Come, madam, inside. It's okay. No, it's all good.
Nah, man, I don't want to be high blind side.
Oh my God. Okay.
It could be dangerous with it all this thing.
So, if you like more mushroom, you can add. Slowly, bro. Will not become a pilot in one day.
I got excited, I don't know.
That's good. Little burn is okay in the kitchen.